Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuse box is on this Bobcat UV34 side by side. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So this is, if you're looking at the owner's manual, this is a little weird, but you're going to come in here, lift the seat obviously. You're going to think you're going to be trying to take something here apart. It's not the case. You literally just lift this thing up right here like that. Right there's your fuses. To get this open, just pull this up like this. There we go. And then you push these little tabs in right here. Same on the back side. Push those in. This just comes right off just like that. So, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.